Good morning students. In today's video we will continue the same chapter, that is string handling or string manipulation. So let's see the remaining functions. This is Sandeep Kundu. So let's begin. First is substring. This function is used to extract a part of a string from the string. So let's have the syntax. Syntax is a string variables equals to string variable dot substring and in the position, that means index. See the examples. In example 1, in string s variable I have stored computer. In another variable s1 I am writing over here s dot substring. Here these functions all letter are small letters, substring. This must be remembered while writing in the Java editor. S dot substring 3. The functions extract string from the third index. From the third index it means this is 1, 2 and 3. So output will be remains starting from P and then rest. So as output you can get in s1 variable it will store PUT here. Next example, same examples I have taken over here. In s variable I have stored computer. In s1 I am writing these functions s dot substring 3, 6. If we will check the differences between these two functions, here only one argument, or here I am passing two arguments. So it can be like that also. Now the output will becomes over here, it returns a part of the strings from the third index to 6th index, excluding the character which present in the 6th index. That means this is the first position, this is the last position, but it will exclude, not include in the given index. So after compiling it will becomes in s1 PUT. You may check over here, this is 1, 2, 3, and from here PUT, and it will be left 6 characters. So this is the entire fundamentals of substring functions, and this must be remembered in every function, whether it is character handling or string handling. Next is to lowercase. Here L is a capital, C is a capital. This function is used to the string from the uppercase to lowercase. Let's have the syntax. String variables equals to string variable dot to lowercase. Again I am telling you L is a capital, C is a capital. So see the examples. String s equals to, here I have written all the sentences or all the word in capital letter. In s1 I have stored s dot to lowercase. So it will convert into the lowercase of s variable and it will store in s1. See the functions return the string in lowercase, and this will be the output in lowercase. Similarly, this is the opposite to uppercase. Here U is a capital letter and C is a capital letter. So this function is vice versa of lowercase. This is just opposite. This function is used to convert the string into uppercase from the lowercase. Let's see the syntax. String variable equals to string variable dot to uppercase. You see the examples. String s equals to, here I am stored all the letters in small letter. S1 equals to s dot to uppercase. So it will be, output will becomes over here in uppercase. Just is a conversion. So thank you for today's video.